This is Jack's Point. Oh wait, I gotta show you. They have these airplanes fly in and drop off parachuters. And of course this is a fabulous, fabulous course. Sorry, I didn't mean to go so fast. It's right outside of Queenstown. And I'm not playing all that well, although I did start with a par, but went downhill from there. But look how beautiful this is. Again, water and sky, water and sky. So beautiful, so beautiful. Bunch of hills and dales, and I haven't been into Queenstown proper because it just seems to be another city, but these mountains are called the Remarkables, and boy are they fabulous. Bye.